Hey there, CJ Math students. So tonight I'm going to help you out with homework 2.15. I'll be doing most of the odds, maybe a couple of the evens. Don't worry about the letters. They were from a riddle, but I decided to take these problems out of the context of the riddle. So number one, make sure we're finding the product of each and look to cross cancel. Make your life a whole much easier. So between 2/5 times 3/4, is this answer going to be positive or negative? It's going to be positive. I've got nothing but positive numbers. So let's go ahead and look to cross cancel. 2 and 4, I can divide them both by 2. This becomes a 1, this becomes a 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1 times 3 is 3, 5 times 2 is 10. You got 3 over 10. Please circle your answer. Please also put this positive, negative stuff on every single problem. So why don't you go ahead and go through every problem, even the ones I'm not going to do, and write that down. And then every time you do a problem, circle one of them so you know exactly how to write your answer as a positive or a negative. Okay. All right. So let's go on to problem like number 3. So first of all, positive or negative? I got 2 negatives, so my answer is positive. So can I cross cancel anything here? Yes, I can. The 2 and the 8. I can divide them both by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. And I'm done. 5/12. It's a positive answer. I already figured that out. 5/12 of 8/15 of just means multiply. So let's look for cross canceling. Again, I can do it. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is not 2 ninths. All right. Number 7, be very careful on mixed numbers. I swear, if I see somebody doing 2 times 4 is 8 and then 1 times 3, no. I want you to actually write this down and write a big no with an exclamation mark. This is incorrect, okay? You must change these to improper fractions first. All right, so 4, we have 5 over 2 times 23 over 5, okay? Now that you've done that, we can go ahead and change these cross cancel, divide by 5. You get 1 times 23 is 23, 2 times 1 is 2. And I'm going to be nice tonight. For the sake of time, I'll let you leave stuff as improper fractions. So 23 over 2. Oops, I forgot. I got nothing but positive, so my answer will be positive. And circle your answer. All right, so here, 2 negatives. My answer should be positive. Let's go ahead and make sure we change these to improper fractions first. So plus 12. Plus 20. What do I get? I get 15 over 4 times, that's what parentheses next to each other means, 23 over 10. And now I can go ahead and cross cancel, divide both those by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 23 times 3. Some of you might be saying, oh, I can't do that. You can do it off to the side. You get 69. 69 over 8. And again, for the sake of time tonight, I will allow improper fractions. It's a positive answer, so I don't have to worry about a negative sign. Right? Number 11, find the quotient of each. Remember to flip the second fraction, then look to cross cancel before multiplying. So you got to flip first. Must flip before cross canceling. So first of all, this answer will be negative, so put a negative in your answer right away. So 3/4 now times 10 over 1. Let's look to cross cancel. 4 and 10, we can divide them both by 2. So 3 times 5 is 15 over 2. So negative 15 over 2. That's your answer. So let's again do this plus minus stuff on every problem just so you guys understand, hey, I got to figure out first, is my answer going to be positive or negative? Oops, I'm not sure why that was moving. All right, here we go. Number 13. So my answer will be, my answer will be positive here because I had 2 negatives. So we got to flip this first. So negative 4/5. Actually, I don't have to worry about the negatives anymore because my answer is positive. 4/5 times 3/4. And look at that. The 4s will cancel out. Always flip before looking to cross cancel, guys. So positive 3/5 is your answer. 3, we have to make that 3 over 1. So now we can go ahead and say, all right, this is 3 over 1. Flip it times 3 over 2. So here, you might have been tempted to cross cancel the 3's right off the bat, But you have to make sure that you flip first. So knowing that, also knowing that I only have one negative, my answer is negative. So put a negative in your answer box right away. 3 times 3 is 9 over 2. 9 over 2. Negative 9 over 2. So will my answer be positive or negative in number 17? It will be negative, so put a negative in your answer column right away. Go ahead and multiply these to find change mixed numbers into common denominators. We get 7 over 2 still divided by 7 over 3. Now I want to flip, and I'll get 7 over 2 times 3 over 7. And now let's cross cancel. Becomes a 1, that becomes a 1. I get 3 over 2, so my answer is negative 3 over 2. And number 19. Is my answer positive or negative? It's negative because I only had one negative, so put a negative in your answer column. We'll multiply this, that's 18, and you don't have to do anything with that. So we have 19 over 6 divided by 1/3. Now flip, right? I like to convert first before I flip. Just keeps everything nice and smooth process, step by step. 3 over 1. Can I cross cancel? I sure can. 6 and 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 19 times 1 is 19 over 2. So negative 19 over 2. It was negative because I only had one negative. Give me a call if you have questions tonight.